So guys, today we are going to learn how to fill different kinds of leaves by using whatever stitches you have learned before. So this is, I told you to draw these 2 leaves for each. So here we will fill it with one kind of stitch, this one we will fill with another kind of stitch, and this one we will fill with another kind of stitch. So there are 4. So basically we are going to use 4 different kinds of stitches to make your leaves beautiful. So this is the first one, and I want you to make to fill this leaf with fly stitch. And with fly stitch, what we have to do, at the tip part we have to take out the thread at the tip part, and then take a long step here, and then at the margin you have to take it out like this. So it will be a long step. This is your first step, like this. Okay, please be sure the thread is proper. Now it should come like this. So what I am going to do here is, I will take from this side to down of this, and the thread should be around the needle. It should come like that. Now see here, and then after there should be a rest, and rest should not be a long one, just near where it is touching the central line, and then again I will take it this side. So this is my first fly stitch. See here, so I packed this fly stitch here itself. Now this is the second one, which should go like this. So I have taken the thread here, means the needle should go from this side and it will come out here, and the thread should be around the needle. And see here, this is my second fly, which should rest here, and then I will take it out here. Pull the thread slowly. Okay, now see here, this is the second. Now coming to the next part, the fly stitch, it looks very beautiful because it makes your midrib also, the midrib, very clear midrib. See this one. Now the next step, see how beautiful it looks. And here I am using very fine needle, this one. So if you want, you can draw, or you can make only one leaf with one stitch, and there are so many stitches to use to fill the leaves. So if you think that you are much practiced using all these stitches, so you can draw only one leaf with one stitch. So I hope that you remember, this is fly stitch. it is going to complete. See this one, the leaf is ready now, and now here you can, now it's up to you whether you want to make a simple line or by stem stitch you can finish it. This is a stem stitch. The second stage after running you did this stem stitch, so like this, and then put it down. So this is your leaf which we made with the fly stitch.